I think National Geographic wildlife photography, and I'm thinking about a photographer that's like hiding out on the savannah for days to get some perfect picture of a lion. Our Brian Wendland went along with the National Geographic wildlife photographer who has a much easier time finding the animals.
Okay, all right.
It takes a lot of gear to move the needle.
So this is a photographer's desperate attempt to use the back half of his life to make a difference.
For 17 years, Joel Sartore took photographs in the wild for National Geographic.
I did 30 stories, all in the wild. And, only 2 moved the needle of conservation.
Over the past 30 years, he's gone to zoos instead.
The world has a lot of pictures of tigers roaming through the jungle, gorillas in the mist, but we don't really get to see these animals on black and white backgrounds just looking like they're participating.
His project is the Photo Ark, a 15,000 photo catalog of the world's captive species, and it's still growing.
I have a database that's a mile long, yeah.
On Tuesday, Joel added a viper and a crab to the list, always aiming for eye contact.
We're primates. The eye contact motivates people to want to care.
Every shot is meaningful. No animal gets more of the spotlight than any other.
There's no size comparison, no distractions, so the mouse is every bit as big and important as an elephant.
Thousands of photos, thousands of miles traveled.
I was in Japan last week and Kazakhstan the week before that, and here I am at the Denver Zoo today.
All to move the needle.
We helped save a couple species from imminent extinction.
Even if just a little bit.
Just a couple, a beetle and a bird.
For next.
I'm always excited to get everything, whether it's a viper, a butterfly, or a hippo.
I'm Brian Wendland.
They all count.